Hi, thanks for taking a look at my iOS 9 Notification Center class. I'll be presenting iOS 9 Notification Center, and I'll be using Swift 2.0. Notification Center can be a complicated concept, and I'll try to present some basic fundamentals to help you understand it. We'll talk about delegates versus notifications, the differences, design patterns, main thread versus other threads. I'll try to explain how to implement this on iOS 9. I'll talk about notifications for multiple endpoints, how notifications can be subscribed by the endpoint and unsubscribed. We'll talk about the main thread versus other threads, how the main thread typically owns UI elements, so you should not attempt to update the UI in the background thread, how notifications can be sent on the thread the notification happens on, and how you can specify the main thread. I've been an instructor for over 8 years. I've created dozens of iOS apps. I've spent over 15 years as a Sun certified Java architect and have developed lots of REST APIs to support mobile interfaces. I hope to give you some good tips to help you build better apps. My name is Tom J, and I hope you enjoy this class. Thanks.